Thank you, Jenna. We want to get to more breaking news. This from Africa. The Nigerian health minister has just reported a nurse has died as a result of the Ebola virus. Now, this is the second Ebola death in Nigeria. Nigeria, by the way, has 8 suspected cases of Ebola. That country says all of those people, they came in contact with the first Nigerian who died from Ebola.
And speaking of Ebola, 2 Americans battling this disease are now waking up this morning at Emory University for treatment. CBS 46's Rebecca Schramm is live for us at that hospital where that second patient arrived yesterday. Good morning, Rebecca.
Good morning, Michelle. And if you think about it, people around here who go to school here, who work here, they are used to ambulances coming in and out. Well, yesterday, when Nancy Wright-Bowl arrived, people who were anywhere near here literally stopped what they were doing and watched. That ambulance was escorted by several government vehicles. It's hard to see, but even the driver of the ambulance was wearing a full protective suit. The emergency team wheeled her into Emory University Hospital, so she wasn't able to walk inside like her colleague, Dr. Kent Brantley, did. The 2 aid workers contracted the disease while doing missionary work in Liberia, West Africa. Well, the president of the Christian aid group, SIM USA, choked back his tears as he read a statement from Wright-Bowl's husband.
A week ago, he said, we were thinking about a possible funeral arrangements. Yet we kept our faith.
We're told that both patients are being treated with an experimental drug and that both are showing signs of recovery. Live at Emory University Hospital, Rebecca Schramm, CBS 46 News.
Thank you, Rebecca. By the way, if you are worried about the Ebola virus right here in Atlanta, doctors say don't be. Don't panic because the virus itself, very fragile, not highly contagious. There isn't a cure or vaccine to prevent the spread of Ebola, but doctors in the U.S. say they are well trained on how to contain it. Now, they say simple hygiene practices can also help keep Ebola from spreading, and U.S. airports have also planned to keep Ebola and similar diseases from entering the United States from international travelers. Here's how. Airports in Africa, they are watching passengers closely. If anyone seems sick, they won't be allowed on board, not until they're checked out by a doctor. And if anyone suspected of infection slips into the United States, TSA agents will take them to a special isolation unit at airports until medical teams can test them.
A former county